Starting at the MApp app dashboard, changes to a map are automatically saved to an account of the user creating the map and will remain in the account until it is deleted by the account holder. Another way to save a map is to export the file to the account holder's computer. This method exports map data as .json or JSON files, which can be re-uploaded to the MApp app or shared with other map editors. The JSON file cannot be used in any other application other than SafeMap, and the JSON file must be uploaded to the MApp application for printing. To create a different version of the map, download and save the JSON file to your computer, change the file name, and re-upload to the MApp app. To export the map file, click on the file icon, change the name of the map file if you'd like, generate export. The file is downloaded to the Downloads folder on your local computer. To import the map file, click the Import Map button, give the map a name, choose the file, click Import Map. In the dashboard is the new map that contains the uploaded JSON file. Printing the map is a two-step process. Preview and position the map, and then print the map on either portrait or landscape size paper, or print the file as a PDF. In the map editor view, click on the button at the bottom of the right column for Preview Print Map. A new preview screen will open of the map. This is a preview of what will be printed. The map legend displays on the right side of the screen, but will be printed on the page with the map. Click on the button at the top for paper settings to choose a paper size, portrait or landscape orientation, and print margins. Click Apply Settings. The map is now being viewed in landscape orientation. Click on the map itself to zoom in or out using your computer mouse wheel. Reposition the map by clicking and holding down on a computer mouse while dragging the map until what you want to print is in the preview window. Zooming out too far will make the markers larger and may overlap. The markers do not scale when the zoom level is changed. Zooming out will make the markers appear larger or might overlap. You will need to work with the zoom levels to ensure that all markers are visible and do not overlap too much. When you are satisfied with the preview, click the blue Print Map button at the top right. A pop-up box appears with the dimensions and margins that were chosen for printing. Click on Print Map. A pop-up appears for printing. Look at the destination, which defaults to printing as a digital PDF file to a computer. You can also change to print to paper by choosing a printer. All pages should be the default choice. Make sure the layout matches the paper orientation you want or change it here. Color is the default choice, but the map can also be printed in black and white. Click on More Settings if it is necessary to refine the print settings more. Click either Print or Cancel. Clicking on Cancel will take you back to the map preview where the map can be repositioned and the paper settings changed. Click the Print Map button in the bottom right to print the map.